Well, hello there. I'm Ree with WTI, and I am so happy with the results and relief I have seen from this red light wrap from DGYAO. It has really helped my neck and shoulders. And what really impressed me was that it has all three in one, the red, near infrared, and pulsing. It's really easy to use. First of all, it's very soft to the touch, which is great because it needs to be touching your skin for it to get the best benefit. And then you just strap it on and you add the battery pack. Make sure that the battery pack magnets line up. So since it's wireless, you can easily use it on the go anywhere you need it. And then you get to pick which of the three light modes you want to use. The E1 is for red and infrared. E2 is just for the red light mode, and E3 for infrared light. And then H5 to 1 goes from 100 to 40%. Then you can pick how long, from 5 to 30 minutes. You can also pick pulse mode, where all the lights will flicker to generate from 1 to 10 hertz pulse rate. I just love how customizable it is to whatever you need it for. Maintenance is super easy. You just clean with a very lightly damp cloth. This has just been such a gift to have and use. I highly recommend it. In fact, I'm even gonna give one to my mom as a gift because it's awesome. I think you're gonna feel the same way, and that's my point of view.